What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today's review is going to be on Cars 3 Lightning McQueen and Cars 1 Lightning McQueen. This will be a double video because it will make sense. Cars 1 Lightning McQueen and Cars 3 Lightning McQueen, just to do a double Thailand review and comparison. Of course, both made in Thailand. For some reason, I never had these guys open from Thailand, so I bought the case. I got these from Get Me Collectibles, and I bought the case T for $85, which was pretty cheap for a case. So, yeah, of course, before I forget, shout out to Piston Cup Productions for originally starting off with this series. And later on in this video, there is a bit of a meme, and he did give me permission to put this meme in, and I will give you the proof as well that he said I can use the permission. But yeah, anyways, let's start off with not Cars 3 Lightning McQueen, Cars 1 Lightning McQueen. Anyways, here's Cars 1 Lightning McQueen. Very nice. We've got the... Let's turn on the flashlight here as well, actually. Here he is. We've got Lightning McQueen, Rayon McQueen, Flash McQueen, and Willem Pegel McQueen. Of course, Mattel 3+. These nice regular Cars 1 artwork made. There's the Pixar logo. Dinoco 400, as we can see here. On the back, and of course, the description or the bio of the Dinoco 400 reads, after the Dinoco 400, a tiebreaker race is needed to determine the winner of the Piston Cup, which of course is accurate. Very nice. Of course, we've got other Thailand releases such as Toe, Chuck Tom, Davey Apex, Greg Candyman, and Lee Revkins. I've got Greg and Lee, but not Davey or Tom. Yep, here's Cars 1 Lightning McQueen. Let's start off with this unboxing. Here's Cars 1 Lightning McQueen, and what I'm going to do now quickly is go over Cars 3 Lightning McQueen. Of course, very nice. Here's Cars 3 Lightning McQueen, he's different. Cars 3 Lightning McQueen, Cars 3 Rayon McQueen, Flash McQueen, Cars 3, Cars 3 Lightning McQueen as well. Mattel, there's his Cars 3 version artwork, Pixar, Florida 500. Other cars on the back are Ramon, Florida Ramon, Jackson Storm, Chris Moses, and Maddie McGear. And of course, it's the opening race of the Piston Cup. Who will take home the championship? Of course, we've got the picture of the Florida 500 in the background too. Made in Thailand. And here is Cars 3 Lightning McQueen out of the package. So as we can see, they are both made in Thailand. So what I'm going to do first is make it obvious and start off with Cars 1 Lightning McQueen. He's got this massive, nice, happy expression. Of course, we got 95 on the headlights here as well. Headlights, very nice. On the front, we've got medicated Rusty's rear-ended formula. Of course, that is the logo there, and Rusty's bumper ointment. We got the Thailand eyes. 95 on the top. Lightning McQueen both sides. Window support bars here. Of course, Rusty's, which is the accurate version, because there's loads of versions without this Rusty's logo. On the side now, we've got all the usual sponsors of Nitro, Piston Cup, Revolting, Mood Springs, Octane Gain, No Stall, Vitaline, Gasprin, Gaskets, Easy Idle, Lily Tockery Pistons, RPN, Retread, Leakless, and Clutch Aid. We've got the usual lightning bolt going up here, with this 95 on the lightning bolt, exhaust pipes there. But, fuel cap to refuel him, where Sarge refuels him in cars. And of course his pit crew. Rusty's there. Of course we've got those regular light rear rims. On the back we've got Rusty's. And of course we've got rear headlights with 95 on the light as well. And of course the bumper here at the back, which reads medicated bumper ointment. So yep, and there is Thailand Lightning McQueen. Here he is, just to make sure. Made in Thailand. The code is here. Made in week 36. So pretty cool. Of course, this was the last time the Cars 1 Lightning McQueen was released. But then again, you can argue that McQueen was released with a sign from Thailand. As you can see here, here is his sign. But this is the China version. But now I can just say, I could tick off that I've got a Thailand Lightning McQueen with sign. Because, I mean, why? I mean, seriously? Anyways, just insert the meme.
fact that that McQueen doesn't have that expression. The sign also doesn't have the same expression. Great job, Mattel.
Yeah, as I was saying, thank you Piston Cup Productions for, you know, talking about that meme. But yeah, comparing him to the Cars 1 Lightning McQueen now from China. I believe this is from China. Yeah, from China. We got Rusty's on the top. Pretty much all the same. Just that the eyes are different, as you can clearly see. Very nice. Rusty's better paint bumper ornament. The headlights at the back are a different colour. Pretty cool. Now we go on to Cars 3 Lightning McQueen. Of course, here's his nice expression. We've got the headlights here, 95. Medicated rear end formula. Rusty's bumper ointment there too. Of course, there's his eyes. 95. Lightning McQueen. Rusty's on the backs there as well. Here's the side. Piston cup, octane gain, RPM, revolting, and clutch aid. So pretty cool. 95 of this lightning bolt. Exhaust pipe. Light year rims as usual. We got fuel cap here to refuel him. Of course, got Rusty's again logo here. On the back, you didn't see that, did you? Because a bit of paint just came off. You might be able to see there, which sucks. But yeah, on the back, medicated bumper ointment. Rusty's 95. Pretty cool. Here is the base, made in week 36. So they were made in exactly the same week. So that's pretty cool. As something falls on the floor. But yeah. Here is the regular Cars 1 Lightning McQueen. You can see the difference now. Of course, somehow I never had a Thailand Lightning McQueen open. The wheels are blurry, as you might be able to see. Not much difference, just that he's made in Thailand and this is China. There was one last thing I wanted to compare with these, is their respective mini races, because minis are also made in Thailand. So this is the Cars 3 Lightning McQueen version. Of course, the 95 is under the headlight. Pretty cool. Of course, Cars 1 Lightning McQueen for Cars 1, obviously. So yeah, that does pretty much end this review. But I did want to bring out my collection of Cars 3 Lightning McQueens, which, of course, is just this one. I do have this old one where it reads chip gearings. You guys might have that error too. Of course, I also have this packaged Cars 1 Lightning McQueen from this Christmas line, which I wanted to bring out. And for you OG collectors, which everyone always wants to have, is this original Desert Back Series Lightning McQueen, made in Thailand. Of course, as it would be made in Thailand. So that is pretty cool that I have one of these packaged. Of course, everyone wants one. But yeah. Let me know in the comments below, which one do you prefer? Cars 1 Lightning McQueen or Cars 3 from Thailand? Of course. There is this. So who is your favourite Lightning McQueen? I didn't bring out Cars 2 Lightning McQueen because there is literally no point. Let's put the minis here too, just to say they're in the video. If you're new, please make sure to leave a like, dislike if you dislike, subscribe if you're new, hit that bell notification button down below. Until the next one, peace.